In this video, let us continue to solve more problems based on the intercept form of a line. Alright, here we've got a problem which reads like this. It says, find the equation of the lines which cut off intercepts on the axis whose sum and product are 1 and minus 6 respectively. Well, this is not a very complicated problem. It's a pretty simple and a straightforward problem because it says the intercepts, the sum of the intercept is 1 and the product of the intercepts are negative 6. So all you have to do is just do some math, find out a and b, and then write the equation by substituting it in the equation x by a plus y by b equals 1. So now the given thing is the sum of the intercepts equals 1 and the product of the intercepts equals negative 6, right? So now how we can solve this is we can either we can find the value of b. We have b as minus 6 by a. Substitute this in this equation. So we have a minus 6 by a equals 1. You're substituting this in this equation. A plus b equals 1. So we have solving this, we get, well, I think you have to take LCM. So this will be a by 1. So it will be a square minus 6 equals a. Alright, that's what is the next step. So you will get a square minus a minus 6 equals 0. And this is a quadratic equation. Solving this, you get a square minus 3a plus 2a minus 6 equals 0, because 3 times 2 gives you 6. At the same time, minus 3a plus 2a gives you negative a. So you have, taking out a, you have a of a minus 3 plus you have 2 times a minus 3 equals 0. So we have now a minus 3. You take out a minus 3 as a factor, and then you have a plus 2 equals 0. So a equals 3 or a equals minus 2. And then now find the values for b when a equals 3 and when a equals negative 2. So when a equals 3, b will be equal to minus 2. Just substitute the value of a here. You get b equals minus 2. And when a equals negative 2, b will be equal to 3. That's all. So now that we found the values of a and b respectively, let us find the equation for both the values of a and b. So when a and b are 3 and minus 2 respectively, x by a plus y by b equals 1. So it will be x by 3 plus y by minus 2 equals 1, which is nothing but x by 3 minus y by 2 equals 1. Solving this, we get 2x minus 3y equals 6. So this is one of the equations that you can get of the line in question. Otherwise, one case is done. One more is when a equals negative 2 and b equals 3. So you get x by minus 2 plus y by 3 equals 1. Or this is nothing but y by 3 minus x by 2 equals 1, which is nothing but 2y minus 3x equals 6. So the equation for the required line, the equation for the line, in fact, the lines which cut off intercepts on the axis are 2x minus 3y equals 6 and 2y minus 3x equals 6, right? So that ends this video. Most part of the problem, was pretty mathematical. It was not like very conceptual with respect to the intercept form, I'd say. All you had to do was find a and b, for which a lot of math was required. Otherwise, it was pretty much the substitution. So I'd say it's a pretty simple problem. So that ends this problem as well as this video. I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more problems based on, or more problems and concepts based on the straight line.